Hello, my name is Dominique Reedus, and today I will be going over the lesson for English 1, Why George and Lenny Need Each Other, the Creek Scene. This is from the TEAC standards of 110.36. 1A, and this is for engaging in meaningful and respectful discourse by listening actively, responding appropriately, and adjusting communication to audiences and purposes. The duration for this lesson can be from 1 to 2 class periods. We have our objective, which is to cover behavioral and measurable. Students will be able to, one, annotate the Creek scene in Chapter 1 to identify moments of conflict, care, and shared dreams between the main characters, George and Lenny. Also, two, write a paragraph explaining why George and Lenny need each other using at least one piece of textual evidence. And three, participate in small group discussions demonstrating active listening, responding appropriately, and adjusting communication for peers, which ties back to the TEACs. In this lesson, we have several accommodations and modifications, differentiations for the learners. We're going to cover ELL learners, English language learners, struggling readers, and advanced learners. For our annotation of the scene, for our ELL learners, we will have a color code system: red for conflicts, blue for care, green for dream, and those we will pre-teach with vocabulary words, which we will have a list as well. For our struggling readers, we will highlight key sentences, we will chunk into small sections, annotation guide sheet, and partner with reading. For our advanced learners, we will have dual annotation for emotion and literary techniques. We will use margin notes, connecting lines to themes, and comparing tones across scenes. For our paragraph writing, we will have sentence stems for our ELL learners, word banks with those vocabulary words. We will have for our struggling readers, fill in the blank paragraphs, pre-highlighted textual evidence. We will have short writing chunks as well. And for our advanced learners, we will have them include two pieces of textual evidence. Again, having them analyze the tone. We will have them looking for repetition, symbolism, and making those connections to larger themes, such as isolation or the American dream. For our discussion, we will have differentiation of sentence starters for our ELL learners. We will have for our struggling readers, simple discussion checklist, and give them assigned roles such as the note taker, the speaker, the evidence finder. And for our advanced learners, we will have them expand and challenge their peers with ideas, and we have them cite two textual examples and have leadership roles in our discussions. We will be able to have this lesson with our differentiation set in place for why is it important to have someone who cares about you in your life. And we will reach those conclusions and draw upon the experiences of the students and have them give their input. We will model it as the teacher and give input and give sentence starters and demonstrations with those annotation symbols. And we will do that for our ELL learners, our struggling readers, and our advanced learners.